Hey, come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Hop right on. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Boy, you should come with your buddy. Boo. See you. Come here, bud. No biting. No. No. Nope. You got onto your finger really, really hard, and he has his hand. He has a handicapped hand right there. That's one. Right. There's it. Right there. That's why he howls, because he has handicapped in the bottom, because gosh, we wanted boards, so we have a lot of boards over here. So yeah, and he was our second one, and let's go. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here.
Hi, Rascal.
Rascal. Rascal. You want to say bye? You want to say bye? You want to say bye, bud? Bye. And he's off.